Ka result matrik balatiap kum ka secondary school living certificate ya ka balapan mana paidbah da ka MBOSE HAKA NYNGKONG ka pynkyndit babon namar ka KYRDAN banyngkong layo kane da kawei ka SKUL na Tura ka Embee Rosebud Secondary School ka SKUL Embee Rosebud kalayo lengba ka nilam kumari ka layo hadu sanspa nyu punyo marks ya ka KYRDAN ba arpan HAKA SSLC layo da ka darila akor karmoplang jong ka simiri ka layo sanspa repusan marks HAKA NYNGKONG layo ru ban KYRDAN bat ka darila akor karmoplang kabuan ba ar HAKA SSLC.
Actually, I did not expect that I would be here right now. I'm just thankful to God. I'm thankful to my parents because I'm very lazy. See, I don't study that much, but because of their pushing, because of the motivation, and I'm very thankful also to my teachers. Because of their guidance, I've reached here right now, and I'm really happy. See, and most importantly, I'm thankful to God that because I trusted in Him, and He led me here. At least I don't stress myself that much. I study, and you see, it's not the studying at the last moment. It's throughout the whole year, because I knew that I was lazy, so I started from the beginning of the year. So there were many ups and downs, but I studied hard. I studied smart. You have to study smart. If you study hard, also you'll get, but you have to study smart nowadays, because sometimes also, yeah, I'm going for arts, and I joined pynbna school. So yeah, that's all. And in the future, I want to be a teacher like my parents, and because I really love teaching, and because I love teaching. I do indulge in all these things, mobile phones, laptops and all, but you know, I don't own any of them. Maybe it's a laptop, but it belongs to someone else. So I do this because these things are just only for pastime. When I'm tired, I just go watch a movie, 1 or 2, and then I relax, and I read books. I love reading books more than Instagram. I don't have a social media account at all, and you know, reading also, it helps you to, it really helps you with your knowledge and all. And there's no harm in you know, being in social media and all. It all depends on you, because I've known people who, you know, they use social media, but at the same time they're very good in studies. Well, me, I don't have social media because, you see, I just don't know how to use it. Yeah, and I love playing outside more. I still play outside. Namar nagajing yalam jong uhi na poi hangne kabaar ime ipa kibam judo jingkerman ba kinget bangala ban poi hangne ba ngala poi hangne bangangu ba ki kanyat nga ki push be yanga bangan pulie kot bangan le babet ba kabaar ki nong hikai jonga ki banadu menchwa hadu menta kanyat be kiara be jing pulie langale ki spa sin du kali jing keliru ki batai be ci spa sin but ya barakot ki brema ki bala ya rap sia ki bala dan ringkat ci sahabat ngan kibam ju sisen kimbam ju ang ba pimla banle barakot ki brehi ba ki ang ngala banle kata
Haba phai shaka result jong ka HSSLC ka St. Higher Secondary School Shillong kal peteng banyobat ya ketika KYRDAN lengba ka dana karbitai kablayo hadu sauspa sanpu armax ketika school kelayo ru banbat ya ka KYRDAN kabaar lengba ka prantik bertacerji kablayo sauspa saupun rimak HAKA ju upo layo ban ya KYRDAN bat ka dana karbitai kabuan banyngkong HAKA HSSLC.
Sungu yu blay bola penla yang bangan yo kanika lat ma bangan le bah ka examen ka bang ngarang shudep nga sungu ru ya ki ini kong ka bah ka baal nga sungu ya ini pa bagi long ki constant support yang mo like they have always been through na do banga ko aban arts ru, and then ya himen ru iba should encourage be yang ban le bah ka ke bangan le, and ki teachers ru ki they are like always there for me, and especially kung mga ili dangadon problem iru ngalay bisya staff room, and dangadon anything haka syllabus or question bank anything bangadon kap like ngam tu ngalay bisya staff room nga kendo iki after class, so makiru kilalong ki min mo ki bru ki ba la don khti ba kan ka jingla jonga so ka success kam dei tang jonga hindi ka dilang jong baro ki bla don khti lang ko ngang ko ai khu blai ru ya I principal jingi father Surjit ki vice principal father Henry ex vice principal ru father Gabriel ibala ju encourage benga ban le bha and ki friends kum jo ki friends ki ba support benga ki ong benga like ki even though I feel sometimes ma ha ki jing puli ngam dali abha ki test a ki encourage we nga bangan le abha and like they have more faith in me more than I have myself so nga ong baka fear jing ki way in you it's like more important and for you to build up your faith in yourself hoy nga sukumen because like nga kham da important mo nga la join shop for 1 week nga join science and then nga la change ka stream sha art so nga sukumen because like nga la I was able to make up my mind maya ka bang ko apuli hay nga don interest hay bang ho bang laban le ba subo kum bilang nga don ha science ngam la man tikna bangan yo ka medalist menta hindi bang wan sha arts nga le ka bang kwa an nga yo support na imay pa na principal ila sha nga so nga lalab ne bahagi hay ka bang kwa menta nga kwa ya ka bachelor first in economics after that maybe most probably nga masters tinato pa nga salid coaching pa ya ka civil service ningkong nga pit bhai kini ki IS like first he kai ba inspire nga kalong ba po mga 100 Anthony's and kadon ka inauguration program kenti one I'm not sure the head MBOSE or something he was giving us a speech about IAS can like going for ISM ka to ka inspire ba nga ta daw nga long ngawan na siya at sa mga tip na ka at nga laban le ba ban long IS because ka kamlong ka deal ba bat ka civil service when it comes to IS kin namar ka deal politics and economics history min step nga lakhi sha kum to like ngam da khi step than mo na ba the whole day you need to study day so khi ka timing ba fis tho ba fin samthia ka haba pule kan and after that but we like kum shubo la pule 3 to 4 hours this tho ba fila ko achong than na te shong kan like bamja sa jing clean te kam hayeng kan dia te pule be ka jing pule and then kum damiet pat kum for example if you stop na 8 o'clock ma fla di ban bamja na after that them usually the bamja ta samthia day they use on social media maybe for 15-20 minutes what prolong tan tang ba use tang ba fin to refresh na ka mind not too much but
dia malami iri result tang hadap da ka jing kemen shishaken ngadap da ka jisongu ru yo NYNGKONG ti mei pa ya kina hikai ki bala trestam sha nak benta jongi nak tai ba khlan ru iba ju pendwai phayanga ti nang ta ya ki parlok ru man ka sngi ki encourage pa yang asha ban tho exam ru kyong sale bha be ma sale bha na mar ni te phila ban wan kalisma ango kan dikiru mentaru ngadap betang da kajing man ngamdang shu hiban batai ta jing ngau janga ngate ngam da smart ban krekot tang ba kawei ka payarap hayang ka jing ngap ha ko kelas te dang la ngap ha kelas dang krekot hayeng tang shi kentaru kala yarap ha ngala laban kan mau ti kum tahi te ngadan ki por bangalet kai ngalek kai mangate te ngasi yarap kam hayeng rum tu te mde pang su krekot be hayeng rung sia let kai ta ki parlok rung abun hi sia let kai social media rung adan ngasi lang active hi tang ba mde hadu kata-kata bangan namdang su ban krekot ban pe ikat islama mentang mo ban degree bet ngamo chim honors ka economics te le sedang adab nang tapat ngan sa le ki competitive exams kan kum ka UPSC tinga pa ban long IS ro kan namar ki duna bhangi I mo ka ri jungi ki duna ka ki hasi le khamtam tinga kwa kan ban long ka tak IS khasi pangala ban ai na ka bentakan ka jat ban ri jungi
Mentau snem ka jingpas ki khna HAKA matrik kalong san pusan ponyo puar na kasispa namar na kisan po hajar san pongut ki bay kun tang kumba arpunyo praspa prapunyungut ki bapas HAKA HSSLC at spat ka jingpas ki khna kalong nyo puar pon arpupra na kasispa HAKA ba na ki arpsa hajar lai spa nyo pongut ki bay kun khat pra hajar san spa prapunai ngut ki balapas ya ka te exam